Living in Massachusetts means embracing all four seasons, from icy, snow-filled winters to humid, sun-soaked summers. But while New England's weather offers plenty of charm, it also presents major challenges for homeowners. One area where those challenges are felt most: your home's windows. Old, poorly insulated, or weather-worn windows can let cold drafts in during the winter and trap unwanted heat in the summer. That's why more homeowners across the Bay State are upgrading to weather-resistant windows designed specifically to handle Massachusetts' unpredictable climate. Here's how the right window materials and features can keep your home comfortable and protected all year long. Vinyl windows. Affordable and low-maintenance protection for homeowners looking for durable, affordable performance. Vinyl windows are a top choice. Vinyl is naturally resistant to moisture, making it ideal for Massachusetts' humid summers and frequent rain. It won't rot, peel, or warp like traditional wood, meaning less maintenance for you. In the winter, insulated vinyl frames paired with double or triple pane glass help block cold air and retain indoor heat. Many vinyl models also include fusion-welded corners for an airtight seal that resists drafts, even during the harshest nor'easters. Modern vinyl windows can also be customized in a variety of colors and finishes, allowing Massachusetts homeowners to enjoy both weather protection and curb appeal. Fiberglass windows. Built for strength and temperature stability. If you want something tougher than vinyl and designed to handle extreme temperature swings, fiberglass windows are an excellent investment. Fiberglass expands and contracts very little with temperature changes, which helps maintain a tight seal year after year, even through frigid winters and humid summers. These windows are also known for their superior insulation and strength, making them capable of supporting larger panes of glass for better views and more natural light. In addition to being energy efficient, fiberglass windows are long-lasting and resistant to moisture damage, warping, and fading, key benefits for homeowners facing Massachusetts' unpredictable weather patterns. Wood-clad windows. Classic beauty with weather resistance for homeowners who love the warmth and character of real wood but don't want the maintenance headaches. Wood-clad windows offer the best of both worlds. The interior frame is made from natural wood for timeless beauty, while the exterior is protected with aluminum or vinyl cladding that shields it from rain, snow, and UV rays. This combination provides the elegance Massachusetts homeowners love with the durability needed to resist year-round weather exposure. Clad windows are especially popular in historic or traditional homes across the state, where style and performance need to coexist seamlessly. Composite windows. Energy-efficient and eco-friendly composite windows, made from a blend of materials like wood fibers and polymers, are engineered for superior durability and insulation. They perform exceptionally well in Massachusetts' varying temperatures, staying rigid in the cold and stable in the heat. They also resist rotting, warping, and corrosion, making them ideal for coastal Massachusetts towns where salty air and moisture can be tough on building materials. In addition, composite windows often come with high-efficiency glass packages, reducing energy loss and helping you save on heating and cooling costs all year long. Energy-efficient glass for year-round comfort. While the window frame material is important, the glass itself plays a huge role in weather resistance and comfort. Massachusetts homeowners should look for these key features. Low E coatings. Reflect heat back into your home during winter and keep it out in summer. Argon or krypton gas fills. Provide insulation between panes, reducing heat transfer. Double or triple glazing. Adds multiple layers of protection against drafts, condensation, and outdoor noise. These technologies work together to create a comfortable indoor climate, whether it's 10 degrees Fahrenheit and snowing in January or 90 degrees Fahrenheit and humid in July. Final thoughts. In Massachusetts, where the weather can change dramatically from one season to the next, investing in weather-resistant windows is one of the smartest home improvements you can make. Whether you choose vinyl for affordability, fiberglass for strength, wood-clad for elegance, or composite for all-around performance, the right windows will keep your home comfortable, efficient, and beautiful through every New England season. Pairing high-quality materials with professional installation ensures your windows provide lasting protection against the cold, heat, and humidity, giving you peace of mind year-round. With weather-resistant windows, you'll not only save on energy bills but also enjoy a cozier, quieter, and more stylish Massachusetts home, no matter what the forecast brings.